Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Sean TV. You feel we back at it again with another video, you feel me? Y'all already know we got Big Mom in the back, you know, Big Red Key, aka Big Mama, you feel me? So, she is not clean whatsoever. Y'all probably don't see all the dirt and stuff. This bit is dirty. I didn't clean it because as y'all can see, y'all see how the weather looking out, you feel me? It look terrible outside, so you feel me? Big Mama finna look terrible too, on everything. Let me give y'all boys a little walk around for those who are new to watching, you feel me? This Big Mama, you feel me? Big cat, you know. Big 707, y'all see that Hellcat bag right there? You feel me? I just left from getting some more rear tires and stuff because, you know, your boy go through tires like it ain't nothing. And I also got an oil change and stuff. I got some brakes and stuff that I'm finna put on in just a second, you feel me? So hopefully it can stop that squeaking noise. If y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know my front brakes squeak for whatever reason. They finally got to the point where it looks like they're low, you feel me? So we finna go ahead and bust them things down, you feel me? And enough of that talking stuff, we finna go ahead and get into the whip. All right, y'all, so now we in the whip. I know y'all might see it look a little different in here, you feel me? Your boy installed the, you feel me, the interior lights in the Charlie, you feel me? Just so I can get it a little bit more, you know, yeah, a little bit more, yeah, you feel me? So, I ain't gonna lie, this is not easy to do on the challenges just because of how angular it is, like the edges and stuff. These lights do not bend right. Like, let me see if I got. All right, so this is the actual light strip. As y'all can see, the light strip do not bend. It's like it don't bend that way. It only bends this way. So whenever you installing them, you can't really go over this or it'll look real stupid. So this how it's looking. Let me know if y'all mess with it, you feel me? But this the best I can get it, you feel me? But enough of that talk. We finna go ahead and get into what y'all came here for, the driving. You feel me? We in the whip, you feel me? Let's go ahead and make sure that been in sport mode and turn that traction control off. You feel me? Now you feel me? We good to go. I know in every video I tell y'all I ain't finna be going too crazy. I'm for real in this video. I ain't finna be going too crazy because I ain't gonna lie, these tires be adding up, you feel me? Buying tires every other week, it's not it. That don't do add up, so you feel me? We gonna still have a little fun, you feel me? But we just ain't gonna be burning up the tires as much. I don't know if y'all seen that, but this bit was getting sideways for a second. Oh, y'all forgot to tell y'all, please like, comment, subscribe for your boy. You feel me? And make sure y'all watching the videos all the way throughout, you feel me? And make sure y'all watching them ads. That's how your boy get paid, you feel me? The more money we make on YouTube, you feel me? The more stuff we gonna add to the cat and possibly add another car to the channel in the near future, you feel me? I'm just trying to figure out what type of car would be good to add to the channel. You know, that'll, you feel me, help your boy take off. Let me throw that gum out the window for y'all boy be like, this nigga smacking. Trying to figure out anything I'm supposed to be letting y'all know. Oh yeah, we is finna get that steering wheel probably in about a month, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and get the carbon fiber steering wheel because I already got some carbon fiber trim pieces that's gonna go around here. And I don't know how it is on the new steering wheel. I mean on the carbon fiber steering wheel, but I got the piece that go down here as well. So basically, when I install the steering wheel, the whole thing gonna be carbon fiber. You feel me? It gonna have the interior looking right on hood. But this bitch sounds so good at all times. I think it's finna rain though. I'm getting tired of this rain. I wish it was you feel me, a bright sunny day outside. Yep, there go the raindrops. I guess this turned to a rain POV. Y'all still should be able to hear the car pretty good. Oh, there go the police. There go the police. I'm trying to make sure they don't get behind me. Let me go ahead and turn these lights on white. You feel me? Because if y'all don't know, having color changing headlights, unless they orange, what it is, the amber color or white, they can pull you over for that. You feel me? Yeah, I know it's crazy. They pulling you over for color headlights. I don't know. It just seemed like a little weak law to me. You feel me? They got most stuff they should be worried about. Like these switches. They can't stop no switches though. And y'all, I'm also trying to see if I can trying to get a group together, you feel me, to do a little video on New Year's, like a New Year's type of video where we, you feel me, we have like a little ride out, you feel me, with the cars. You feel me, go to a spot, you know, cut up, slide, you feel me. You know, a little fun video, so I'm gonna try to get that set up for me and the gang, you feel me. Cause the videos with the gang are always a banger. Always. Woo! This baby is not a hooking today. I know y'all hear them tires screeching. Damn, is something on fire over there? Damn, bro. This nigga trying to cause an accident, ain't it? Let the window down a little bit. It's like it's gonna be a tornado outside. I'm trying to figure out, is it even a good day to do the brakes? It feels dangerous. I don't think I should be going fast in the rain, y'all. Y'all know Hellcats and rain don't mix. That's like hot air and cold air, nigga. They're gonna cause a tornado. This bitch gonna be spinning across the whole road till I smack one of these poles. Or a pedestrian. Now look at them. They going fast though. These tires that the Mexicans sold me weird. It made my car feel like it's twisting down the road. I need y'all to recommend me like a different mic type of setup. Like, I actually want to get me like a better microphone to go with my phone. you feel me, to where, you feel me, it's just better audio quality. I don't know nothing for real about no mics. So if y'all know anything about some mics, let me know what type of mic I should get for some better quality. Damn, why these niggas behind all up on my bumper like that? Nigga, that how you get Swiss cheese out there, old boy. Y'all hear them pops though? Sound like some popcorn in a microwave. Yeah, I'm really trying to figure out, should I go ahead and do these brakes or not. I never been did the brakes on the Hellcat before. Last time I did some front brakes, I still had my scat pack. Forget, we might well go ahead and get it out the way. We ain't got nothing else better to do though. Anyway. And I might try to go ahead and get this video, you feel me, out today. We gotta merge on the freeway though. I hope the camera ain't bouncing either. Boy, that car is hideous. I used to love cars like that back when I was younger. I don't too much mess with them no more though. Damn, I forgot to turn the windshield wipers on. Damn. Hopefully I'm not boring y'all boys, you feel me? This video probably is a little boring though, I ain't gonna even cap. It ain't no action going on. It's okay, we gonna have some lit content soon. Especially when it's rain leave, you feel me? When the sun and weather start rolling back around, believe me, we gonna have some fire content, no cap. Nah, I ain't finna cut up in no rain. I was finna say we can cut up in the rain. Nah, that's too dangerous right there, Slime. If we cut up in the rain, y'all might not be getting no video for a month or two, cause this bitch gonna be out of commission. But y'all, that's gonna end it right here. You feel me? Just a little video, you feel me, just to post, because I know I probably ain't posted since before Christmas, you feel me? So, this gonna be it, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me, watch the full video. And this is gonna be it till next time. Peace out, y'all. Gang.